friends! Welcome to our channel. This is Our Way Cooking and Baking. Today, we're whipping up a classic favorite, beef stroganoff. And guess what? We're doing it without mushrooms. First, we're going to add butter and garlic to our pan. We're melting our butter and adding a teaspoon of minced garlic. And let the garlic do its thing for a moment. Caramelize the garlic. Gonna add our noodles to our boiling water. Gonna stir the noodles up a little bit so they don't stick together. Got a nice sizzle on our garlic. Now we're gonna add our beef. I'm going to sear it, get it nice and caramelized. And be sure to stir your meat to make sure it gets brown on all sides. And while that's cooking, we're going to make our sauce. We're adding our bouillon to our hot water to help it dissolve. Now that our beef bouillon cubes are dissolved, we're going to add our 4 tablespoons of flour and our 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk that together, and then we're going to add our sour cream. We're going to whisk that together until creamy. Now that is brown, we're going to add our sour cream sauce. And then we're going to mix it together and let it simmer up. Stir the noodles. And now our noodles are done. Drain the noodles. Ooh, be careful of that steam. It's hot. And we're going to put the noodles back in our pot. And add some butter for buttered egg noodles. Now mix until melted. Make sure to stir your meat and your sauce. And there you have it, folks. A hearty, comforting dish that's sure to satisfy any craving. Who needs mushrooms when you got flavors like these? Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to give this recipe a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on Facebook for more delicious recipes like this one. Until next time, happy cooking. Thanks for watching.